Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I am taking my older children into Target and I am allowing them to pick out a couple things that they would feel would really, be beneficial for their online learning experience. So maybe like it's a special school supply or just something that they can have on their desk that, is going to light them up inside and be all excited for their online learning experience. Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
All right, let's go.
I remembered I went to the Starbucks with no mask.
Right.
That's when the coronavirus wasn't here.
Hanson.
Do I have to go in the orders?
Yes. So you guys need to get a lamp because you're not really going to have a lot of
Light.
Right, the lighting's tricky, so you got to pick out what color. You want the black all the way on top. You want this chrome looking color.
No.
Mint.
The mint.
Mint. Oh, that's my girl. All right, put it in the cart.
Which one?
Up over here. That's fine. Yep. Good job. All right, good. So now you got some light. Let's keep going.
Now we gotta go to the school section.
Now we're gonna go. Come on, babe.
The toy section's over there.
No toys right now, dude. No, we already have
I already
those.
have one. I know. Yeah, they look good. You think I should get some
Ooh.
I want to get maybe just a couple
Pick out
Post-its.
one color, so we already have some. So pick out one color.
Creeper.
B, you need a pencil pouch, so you gotta think about that.
I'm gonna
Okay.
get. Oh, I know what pen. I'm gonna get your favorite color.
Blue? Nice.
Mom, I'm Ryan. I'm Ryan. Ha. Now here are all folders.
Alright, you guys can both get pencil sharpeners. You want red?
Yes.
Alright. You want green? But you have one both. You have it at your
Oh,
desk area.
Pencil.
No, we have pencils.
Pencil.
Has to be Ticonderoga. We have them at home.
Ticonderoga.
Yes, it has to be like that, but we have them at home.
Can we maybe
Here,
get
can you-
colorful ones?
No, put them back.
Okay.
Okay, remember, it's just a couple things to make
get
your
these ones?
desk
Can I get
special.
one of these?
We have it, buddy.
There
We
are
have
20
those.
of them.
I understand, but we have those.
Blue sticks?
No, we have blue. Just little things.
Sharpies?
No. Ooh, we gotta get our cart out of the way.
I can't choose. Which one should I get? Comment down below.
I don't know. Do you like the feel of that, or you like the...
Feel it.
Okay, so if I feel this. Ooh, can you feel this? Interesting. Can you make the colors change, or is it just that?
It's just
Okay,
it's
buddy.
Dairy Queenies. And then this one has a little pom-pom too.
Yeah, I like that. All right,
So
buddy.
we should get this one. So can I?
Sure.
Oh, look at this one.
Ooh, look, you got two compartments there. That
Oh, I
might help
can't pull that one down.
That might keep you more organized,
Can
so
I get this? Can I get this?
we'll see, buddy.
Oh, look how cute this
That's
one is.
cute. That's got a bunny, and then that's a dog. The doggy.
These are cute. I could choose.
You gotta
Oh,
choose.
they're easy to
Which
go
one should she
down.
get?
I'm just organizing.
I am impressed that this is only $7. I was looking at the
Mom, I didn't
the
get a
price,
pencil.
and it said it was $15. Hey, it's like 2 for the price of 1.
And look at this.
Yes, your lunchbox, very nice.
The case of our paper.
Well, I think Jameson needs a new backpack. I mean, not a backpack.
A
I'm
lunchbox.
gonna get this for Jameson.
Yes.
Do you think he'll like it, Paw Patrol,
Uh-huh.
over everything else?
Or maybe SpongeBob.
I think he'll really like Paw
Do you mean the
Patrol.
Paw Patrol? And Mommy, could I maybe get this?
There's all different kinds. You have dinosaurs.
I could
This
grab
actually,
for
buddy,
you.
this kind of looks like Minecraft. Here, let's open it up. Whoa.
I chose the notebook out for you.
Let me see.
Just close your eyes, Rain.
Oh my.
Open.
Oh, that's
Alright,
Minecraft.
Do you think he'll
Do you want this?
No. Do you want
What, you
this?
want that?
Yes.
Let me see.
I chose this one.
It looks great, guys.
That means. Do you think I should get two? One for home and one for here?
For
school?
Target? No, because you have your diary. Remember? All right, good girl. Thank you. Bees, I think you should get this though, buddy.
You're a great friend. Your eyes sparkle. Can I see? Can I see?
It's got nice messages on it. Cute. We're just going through,
Wow.
making sure. Go ahead, keep going.
The last thing that, well, not the last one. I got this lunchbox,
Mm-hmm.
and then I also got this.
Ooh, pencils, nice.
And then I also got slime.
Uh-huh, right.
Mommy, the and I think that's it.
Nice, all right.
the
I think we're
creeper's
just
right
about
here.
ready to go. We're ready to go. Come on.
Mommy,
Okay, so you ready? No, you're good. All right. All right, put your stuff up. Good job, so. Good job. Good job, buddy. That's for you, sir. Whatever can fit in there. Whatever school looking like. Let's not touch the dirty, belt.